Got some more wood done today. Looks pretty good, pretty happy with it. And gonna be heading back home. It's about 12 o'clock, it's time for lunch. And one day at a time getting the wood. So there's where we have that. And then up here, we got these bucked up to be we got all those bucked up so we can split them and throw them onto the truck. We're gonna have to wait for the water to recede or for freezing weather, one of the two, to get up here. You get stuck in the mud up here today. Probably freezing weather would be best, so you can come up here when it's frozen over and hard ground.